Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Motorola Moto G31. Okay, for that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, a bit hidden here because in the box there's another box where the phone has been on. So, and here are some menus inside and this SIM ejection tool. So just fold it like this to remove it. Otherwise, you could use, by the way, also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, our next step is to remove the case. So very nice of Motorola to give it to us. And the next step is take your SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. And now we will have a look on the phone, because on the side of the phone, we will have the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now with the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, in this SIM tray you're able to insert one SIM card, and if you want next to a second SIM card or a microSD card. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. It comes here in that position. So with missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below. Okay, and as I said, if you want, you can add a second SIM card. So place it on the last position here. So it should look like this then. So also missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are also below. Okay, and if you want, you can add also now a microSD card, but then you have to remove the second SIM card because we need that space here, and then insert a microSD card like this. Take care, it's very tiny here, but if you want to insert the microSD card, it has to look like this then. And the contacts are also below, of course. Okay, and if you're ready with, if you have chosen your construction, so just insert it again in the phone like this and close it well. Yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That will be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.